This video will provide the details to help understand how to update your existing OnePager views as the data changes within your source document. There are generally two scenarios where you will need or want to pull changes in from your source document to your OnePager view, and they are both executed in the same way from MS Project using OnePager Pro or Excel using OnePager Express. Scenario 1 is when you are first bringing new data into OnePager, and Scenario 2 is when you have already set up and/or customized your initial view and you're simply looking to add a new snapshot. When you're first bringing data into OnePager in the form of a brand new OnePager view or even within a new snapshot, it's likely that you will recognize that you have pulled in too many line items from your source plan and you want to remove some, or that you've missed some that should be present but aren't. You may also recognize that some of the attributes of your tasks or milestones are incorrect and you just didn't realize it until you had your data in OnePager. In either situation, you'll be toggling back to your source document to make changes or corrections to your source data. You may change some no's to yeses and some yeses to no's. You may make some changes to correct end dates, durations, predecessor tasks, etc. Once you think your source document is correct, you'll launch the OnePager Choices form by pushing the OnePager Pro or Express button. Since we want to make updates, we're going to select the Update Existing Project View radio button and ensure we've got the correct OnePager document we're looking for to update in the drop-down. OnePager will remember what designator column our visual keys off, so our task selection should already read as we want it to. We're looking to update the snapshot that we just created, so in the Snapshot Date section, we're going to select Replace Existing Snapshot at Date. If we're trying to update our last snapshot and we already have more than one, make sure the latest snapshot is selected in the drop-down. For Replace mode, we can either choose Dates in Progress or All Properties. Dates in Progress will essentially update all the data within our OnePager view without upsetting any fine-tuning we've applied within our OnePager document already. All Properties will update all the data and write over any label changes we've made in our OnePager document. All Properties Confirm will prompt you for each change in the data that it sees, and you will confirm or deny OnePager for making those changes one at a time. When you finally hit Replace Dates, OnePager will refresh your OnePager view and you will see the updates within your document. The second scenario, creating a new snapshot, has a slightly different sequence. I'll start with a simple view that I have open which has some minor customization in the form of a comment box, a text box, and a curtain. I've also modified my background coloring, my time axis, and have manually moved some tasks within my view. Note my snapshot date in the footer below. Let's pretend that I presented this view last week in my weekly meeting, and I've been making changes to my source document for the past week. Now I'm preparing for this week's instance of my meeting, and I need to pull in the changes that I've accumulated into my OnePager view. I'll follow the same path to update my existing OnePager view. However, this time, when I get to my Snapshot Date section in the OnePager Choices form, I'm going to select the radio button for New Snapshot at Date and put today's date in, since today is the date of my meeting. When I click New, OnePager will pull in the changes from my source document that I've inflicted over the last week and present me with a new snapshot. The new snapshot date is noted again in the footer. In my View tab, I can now navigate between snapshots by using my Previous or Next buttons or by clicking the List All button. Updating your OnePager views in the form of snapshots is a huge efficiency booster when you need to create charts for recurring meetings and is unique to OnePager. For more information on customizing your OnePager chart, please watch some of our other videos or visit our support forum at chroniclegraphics.com. You can also contact us at support@chroniclegraphics.com and we'll be happy to assist you.